विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण मॅथमॅटिक्स पार्ट 1 मधील पहिला चॅप्टर आपण पाहणार आहे. लिनियर इक्वेशन्स इन टू व्हेरिएबल, जो आपल्याला बोर्ड परीक्षेसाठी तो जो आहे तो 12 मार्क्ससाठी विचारला जाणार आहे. आता हा चॅप्टर जो आहे जसं आपल्याला मागच्या वर्षीही 9वीलाही आपण याचा अभ्यास केलेला आहे. आपण थोडं रिवाइज करू पाठीमागं. लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल कशाला म्हणायचं, व्हॉट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल. In that we have to see the equality. इक्वॅलिटी कशाला म्हणतात आपण सुरुवातीला इक्वॅलिटी. इक्वॅलिटी म्हणजे समानता. समानता कशाला म्हणू आपण एक एक्झाम्पल घेऊ. 4 + 5 = 9. दिस इक्वल साइन, therefore such type of is called example is called equality. म्हणजे इक्वॅलिटी कशाला म्हणायचं आहे, मध्ये समानतेचं चिन्ह असेल आणि या दोन्ही बाजू जर समान होत असतील. 4 + 5 आपल्याला माहिती आहे 9, आणि आपल्याला ही साईड दिलेली आहे RHS दिलेली आहे, ती 9 दिलेली आहे. म्हणजे इक्वॅलिटीचं एक्झाम्पल आहे. आता इक्वॅलिटी इफ अ नंबर इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय व्हेरिएबल, व्हॉट वी गेट, दिस इज x + 5 = 9. दिस इज द इक्वेशन. Here we use one variable, therefore this is the linear equation in one variable. Why it is called linear equation? The linear equation कशाला म्हणतात. If we draw the graph of this equation, if we solve first, what we get here, x is equal to 9 minus 5, that is x equal to 4. And if we draw the graph of x equal to 4 on graph paper, that is we get the straight line. Therefore straight line, therefore we get straight line, and this is straight line. Therefore this word, it is line. Therefore this is the linear equation in one variable. We have to see the linear equation in two variable. Therefore linear equation in two variables, if both the numbers are replaced by variables, therefore what do we get, if 4 is replaced by x, 5 is replaced by y is equal to 9. This is the equation in two variables. X and y are two variables, and x plus y is equal to 9. We get the equation. Means equation have two sides, left hand side and right hand side. Such type of two sides we get the equation. Here this is called linear equation in two variables. Why called linear equation in two variables here? If we draw the graph of such equation, then we get a straight line. If we take here x is equal to, value of x is equal to 2 plus y is equal to 7, therefore 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. If we take value of x is equal to 1, if we right hand side is 9, therefore what is we have to take here value? Value of y must be 8, means addition of 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. If we take the value of x is 0, what is the value of y? Y is, we take the value that is equal to 9, therefore 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. In another value, if we take x is equal to 5, what is we get the value of y? Y is value we get the 4, therefore 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Therefore here left hand side and right hand side both are equal. Therefore these are the, we call the, here 2 7 1 8 0 9 5 4 are called the solution of equation x plus y is equal to 9. Therefore we take the definition of the linear equation in two variables. What is here? Linear equation, we say that if here x plus y equal to, and this is the example, here the degree of both variable is 1. What is, which is contain the variables x y. Therefore here x have power 1, y have power 1. Therefore the degree of the variable x and y both have degree 1. Therefore such type of equation is called the linear equation in two variables. What is the definition? We have to take definition here is in this way. An equation containing two variables and degree of term containing variable is 1, it is called linear equation in two variable. This is what is called the linear equation in two variable. An equation containing two variables x and y are the two variables, and degree of term containing variable, here term one is the term x, other is the term y, and here the containing variable x and y are the variables, and degree means power of that variable is 1. Therefore such type of equations are called the linear equation in two variable. Example, we have taken example of linear equation in two variable. We have to write here first equation. Here we have taken example x plus y is equal to 9. If another equation 2x plus 5y is equal to 10, means what we say the equation here, the two variables are containing, and degree of that, here x have also power 1, y have also power 1, and the 2x is one term, 5y is the another term. Therefore such type of example we call that the linear equation in two variable. What is the general form? General form of linear equation in two variable. General form is in this way: ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of linear equation in two variable. What are the conditions for that here? Here a, b, c are a real number, and a is not equal to 0, b is also not equal to 0 at same time, or a is not equal to 0, b is equal to not equal to 0 at same time. Therefore such type of form is called the general form of the linear equation. If this equation, what is the general form of this equation? X plus y equal to 9. We write this equation in the general form is x plus y minus 9 equal to 0. Means ax, by and c both are in the LHS, and RHS is 0. If we write the general form of the second equation 2x plus 5y equal to 10, what do we get here? Here 2x plus 5y minus 10 equal to 0. And what are the condition here? Condition are a is also not equal to 0, b is also not equal to 0 at same time. Means here a and b, mean coefficient of x and y are not equal to 0. If coefficient of x or y is equal to 0, what we get the equation? If right here 0x plus y is equal to 9. If such type of equation we have to taken, this is not linear equation in two variable. What is the reason for that? Here 0 multiplied by x, means this term we get 0, and what is remaining here? Y equal to 9. That is the linear equation in one variable remaining. If we take y is equal to 0, coefficient of y is equal to 0, means here b is 0. If we take, we get here x plus 0y is equal to 9, and here also here 0y, with this term we get 0, and what is remaining here? X equal to 9. X equal to 9 is the linear equation in one variable. Therefore we understood that what is the linear equation in two variable? An equation containing two variables, and again the degree of term containing the variable is 1, so that such type of equation is called the linear equation in two variable. And this is the general form of the linear equation in two variable. Means what is here? A, B, C are real number, but what are the condition? A is not equal to 0, B is not equal to 0. If C is equal to 0, then that is also the linear equation in two variable. If we put here 0, what do we get the equation? Such type of equation we get ax plus by plus 0 is equal to 0. And what is our definition here? Here x have power 1, y have power 1. Therefore here we get the equation ax plus by is equal to 0. This is the linear equation in two variable. What are the condition here? A is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. Then we take some examples on the we identify the equation in two variable. First equation 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. Our definition, we know what is the definition. Here the degree of the power or the power m and n both have degree 1. Therefore this is the linear equation in two variable. Therefore we write in short that is yes, it is a linear equation in two variable. What is the reason for that? If the degree of the variable is 1. Here second equation 3x square minus 7y is equal to 13. What is here? Degree of the variable x is a 2. Therefore it is not the linear equation in two variable. No, the linear equation in two. What is the reason for that? Here degree of the power of the variable x is a 2. What is about this? Under root 2x minus under root 5y is equal to 16. This is a linear equation in two variable. What is the reason for that? Here root 2, root 5 are irrational number. Irrational numbers are also rational and irrational. Both are called the real number. Therefore our condition we know A, B, C are real number. Therefore root 2 and root 5 are the real numbers. Therefore here x have power 1, y have also power 1. So the degree of that variable is 1. Therefore this is the linear equation in two variables. What is about this? 0x plus 6y minus 3 equal to 0. Here 0x. Here 0x means here what is we get the value of this is we get 0. 0 into x means 0. What is remaining? 6y minus 3 equal to 0. This is the linear equation in one variable remain. Therefore this is not the linear equation in two variable. What is about this? 0.3x plus 0y minus 36 equal to 0. Here also 0y. 0y means 0 into y. We get the value is 0. Therefore what is remaining here? 0.3x plus minus 36 is equal to 0. This is also linear equation in one variable. We have to ask, is the equation a linear equation in two variable? Therefore this is not the linear equation in two variable. Next equation 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 4. Here x and y into denominator. If we take into numerator, what we get? We know the rule of the indices. 1 upon a raised to m is equal to a raised to minus m. We know this rule. In the standard 8, 7 we have to see. What is about we get here? 4 upon x means here 4 x raised to minus 1. X if we use the rule here 4 upon x, what is we get? X raised to minus 1. If x we take into numerator, we get x raised to minus 1 plus 5. Here y raised to minus 1 is equal to 4. Such type of we get the equation. And this equation, if we know the definition, here x have power minus 1, y have power minus 1. Therefore what is the condition? Here must be degree of the term of the in the variable, that is the 1, and here we get the minus 1. Therefore this is the not linear equation in two variable. No, what is the reason for that? We have to written for x raised to minus 1 plus 5y raised to minus 1 is equal to 4. Therefore here x and y have the power minus 1. Therefore our definition is must be power 1. Therefore this is not the linear equation in two variable. What is about the last example, last equation? Here 4xy minus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0. Here the first term 4xy. Here 4xy containing what containing? Here x have power 1, y have power 1. Therefore degree of this term is a 2. What is the degree? Here degree of this term, when we take the addition of the power, we get the degree. Therefore degree of this term 4xy is 2. Therefore this is not the linear equation in two variable. No, linear equation in two variable. What is about the next point? Simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation also we have to see in the last year. Again we revise that. What is simultaneous equation? What is simultaneous equation? If we take the equation here, 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. Another equation, 5m minus 6n is equal to 2. If such type of equation are called the simultaneous equation. The simultaneous equation, what is containing simultaneous equation? If we consider two equation, if we consider two linear equation in two variable at same time, then such type of equation is called the linear simultaneous equation. We cannot take such type of linear simultaneous equation. If we take one equation is the 4m plus 3n equal to 12, but another equation 3x minus 5y is equal to 2. Such type of equation we cannot solve. Means what is here again? We remember that variable must be same. That is, we have taken two equation. The variable must be same. If we take here mn, the second equation also in mn. If we take the second equation in xy, first equation also in xy. Means what is here? Here 4x plus 3y is equal to 12 and 3x minus 5 equal to 2. We call this is the simultaneous equation. Means if we consider two equation in two variable at solve at same time, such type of equation is called the simultaneous equation. But we have taken the equation in the same variable. Means what is the definition of simultaneous equation? We consider the two equation, two linear equation in two variable at same time. Such type of equation is called the simultaneous equation.